I'm going to state the obvious. I love my Bronco. If you see my videos, I just can't stop using it, and I just want to keep producing videos, putting it up on my channel so you can see the progress that I go through with my Bronco. And one of those things is that charcoal use. Now, I started off using Kingsford, and it was good. Don't get me wrong, no bad thing about it. I even uploaded a video on Kingsford on doing a long burn with a full basket of charcoal, and it did good. It really did. Got me, what was it, up to 15 hours on one full basket. No issues at all. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to go start using B&B. I had never used it before. Kingsford was always something that I've always used. So I started using B&B, and then I did a video on a long burn with the B&B, and it got me more than 20 hours of burn time on one basket. And I was like, I think this is going to be it right here, and I'm going to use more and more B&B, and that's what I've been using. And you see lately, that's all I've been using, honestly. And it just works great. I mean, it's slow burn, especially in the Bronco. And one thing that I always want to show y'all is the progress of the cooks, and also all what basket looks like. And my last video I did was my whole turkey cook when I hung a whole turkey on my Bronco. Came out well. And the basket, which is what I want to show y'all, after 3.5 hours of cooking time at 250 to 275 was the temperature of my Bronco. Well, I'll show you why B&B is legit with the Bronco. Let's head on over to our Bronco. Let's check out that charcoal basket. All right, so here's my Bronco. You see me, I've done tons of cooks on them on my YouTube channel, and I got plenty more to come. So, all right, I'm gonna bring you up closer. Let's check out that charcoal basket. Like I said before, this is gonna be aftermath of the turkey cook that I did on Thanksgiving, and I have that video uploaded on my channel if you want to check it out. I'll leave a link probably up top or in my description, but let's check it out, you know. And like I said, it was 3.5 hours cook time at 250 to 275, and yeah, did leave all the mess. I gotta clean it up, but let's check it out. I want you to see how well these B&B briquettes work in this Bronco. Look at that. Just after 3.5 hours cook. You see I still got some wood chunks left too. Just look at that, how slow it just cooks. You know, it just burns. But, I mean, I think that's just amazing. After 3.5 hours. And that B&B Charcoal Briquettes. Look at that. Amazing, right? I mean, I don't want to say I'm completely switched to B&B, but I do buy their products more. Their, you know, their charcoal, and so, and I mean, it's just so easy to use, and especially in the Bronco. I mean, I mean, if you have a Bronco, just try it out. You'll see what I mean. Really. Yeah, you know, isn't that amazing? I mean, 3.5 hours and it still looks awesome. I mean, I could light that up right now and cook something else right now. You know, I mean, there's plenty left. Wood chunks still there. But a Bronco too. It's the real deal. I'm telling you, every time I tell you, get yourself a Bronco. It's legit, man. I mean, it's my favorite smoker. You know, it really, really is. It really is. Get another look at it. All right, so what do you think? Is that legit? Am I saying too much about it? I don't think I am. That's awesome right there. And I'll tell you what, if I were to use Kingsford, and it wouldn't be like that. It would be burnt off a lot more than that. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. Yeah. But as always, folks, this is another video for you. Hopefully you learned something from this and saw what this Bronco can do whenever after a cook and the aftermath of it, and the type of charcoal you use. B&B, you see right there, that's what's left from it. I mean, I could go on and on that day of cooking that turkey, you know, right after put something else on, or hang more stuff on there, hang a brisket with that turkey, and keep going and going and going. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know to see what it looked like and how legit that B&B is and that Bronco is. So as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.